Now you are ready to do a whole lot of practice. So if you look in your packet, you'll see a blue sheet that it says practice, and running off the top it says name your reactants and then draw your product. So you can practice drawing of your products and naming your reactants there. Here we have a couple situations where we have polymer formation. That will be interesting. Let's see here. Ignore this one for now, and ignore this one for now because we haven't talked about those reactions. Then at the bottom here, you have some examples where you can practice doing synthesis. If you're going to make an amide, you're going to make it from an acid chloride and an amine. You're going to make that acid chloride from a carboxylic acid, etc. So these are good practice ones. Work backwards to fragments of 2 carbons or fewer. On this one, we have it's symmetrical. You have the same functional group on each end, and so you can make this from the dicarboxylic acid, which you can make from a digrignard. So that's good practice there. Then if we flip the sheet over, there's some more synthesis practice ones on the top. And on the bottom we have practice drawing mechanisms. And so we have 4 mechanisms here. 3 of the 4 are under acidic conditions, and 1 of them is under basic conditions. And so you're going through a 5 or 6 step mechanism for the acidic ones, and it should be, this is a 2-step mechanism, but then you'll see after you get done with the addition and the elimination, you're going to have to do a proton transfer here to get the final products. So go ahead and work through these. This is a fair amount of work. We'll see how far you get on this, and when you have questions, please email me, and in tomorrow's lecture notes, one of the first things I will do is address the questions that you have asked if I haven't emailed you back. If I get several questions that are similar, then I will address those questions at the beginning of the lecture tomorrow.